Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to convert Solana to ETH. In order to do this, I'm going to use a Binance exchange. So if you want to do it in Phantom Wallet, then I have created a video on this topic as well. So you can view that video on my channel, or I will put the link of that video down in the description box. So for this video, I'm going to use Binance exchange. So you will have to launch your Binance mobile application, and once you are on the home page, you need to tap on this Binance icon in the top left hand corner. After that, you need to tap on more services option, and in the more services you just have to scroll down, and in the trade you are going to see this convert option. So over here you need to tap on convert, and then you will be landed on this conversion page. Now as we want to convert our Solana into ETH, you will have to first select the Solana. So for that, you will have to tap on this top arrow button in the from section, and then you need to use the search bar, and in the search bar you simply need to search for Sol. After tapping on Sol, you will have to select the Ethereum in these two sections. So you need to tap on this top arrow button again, and then in the search bar you will have to search for Ethereum. After selecting Ethereum, you will have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to convert into Ethereum, and then it will show you the available Ethereum as well. So over here you need to tap on the preview conversion option in the bottom, and then you need to tap on the convert option in the bottom, and you need to do it within the 10 seconds. Now once you tap on convert, you will notice that you have successfully converted your Solana into Ethereum. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.